You want to support Roland Martin Unfiltered? Be sure to join our Bring the Funk fan club. Every dollar that you give to us supports our daily digital show. There's only one daily digital show out here that keeps it black and keep it real as Roland Martin Unfiltered. Support the Roland Martin Unfiltered daily digital show by going to RolandMartinUnfiltered.com. You can make this possible. Folks, let's talk about this story here that I don't know how this is going to go well, but it may cause some problems. The Georgia Supreme Court, they have ruled that if police perform an unlawful arrest, the person being arrested can essentially fight back. The ruling stems from an Athens man named Christopher Glenn, who was unlawfully arrested in 2018. Police arrested him while he was walking home because they received a call someone was loitering. Glenn wasn't. When officers attempted to arrest him, Glenn headbutted one of the officers and got on top of another. His case went all the way to the Georgia Supreme Court, where, based on English laws from the 1700s, the judges ruled that Glenn was within his rights to fight back because he was unlawfully detained. The ruling could have a significant impact on how unlawful arrest cases are defended in Georgia. I'm not necessarily, Brittany, going to recommend black folks try this one. I don't know if Christopher's white or black, but I'm just saying, first of all, determining what's unlawful, what isn't. I'm just saying I'm going to be a little careful with this one if I'm black in Georgia.
Exactly.
Roland, that was my first thought. I'm like, who's Glenn? Is Glenn white or black? Because, the situation just wouldn't go down like that with us. I love the idea of us being able to exercise our constitutional rights and legally resist if we're allowed to. However, Lord knows we watch white folks resist every day, whether it's law or not. But with us, black folks, unfortunately, we lose our lives on a regular basis when we're complying. So I'm certainly not going to tell us to go out here and start resisting arrest because we know we're being illegally detained. I wish we could do what the law said we should be able to do, but we know that's not how it works with us.
Well, and I want to say this here, D. Look, I know Georgia Supreme Court made this ruling, but you got to start first with who the hell decides what's unlawful or not.
Exactly. And since I live in Georgia, I can assure you, if they try to arrest me, I'm going to go to jail and deal with it on the back end because they would kill my black behind. So I just need everybody not to pay that any attention. And now that it is being out in the public, I can assure you the Georgia General Assembly is going to go back in and rescind that law because they not want black people trying to resist being arrested. Watch what happens.
Yeah, Michael, I'm just saying, I'm going to warn everybody black, brothers and sisters in Georgia, y'all might want to ignore the Supreme Court ruling. I don't think this one applies to us.
Brother,
I'm not trying to do another story of somebody black who's killed.
I need to brush up on my law in England in the 1700s, but reading this, Roland, not only does it say that in this case here, that not only did the Georgia Supreme Court rule that Glenn was within his rights to resist the unlawful arrest, but they also ruled that he could also damage government property while doing so. Black people, don't try this at home. I'm telling you right now. And the other gray area is, okay, how do you determine what an unlawful arrest is? Because certain things that we see and we say this is unlawful, but when you get to court, it may not be unlawful. So, at the very least, we need more clarification on this.
Up and down.
But, and I want to know I want to know the ethnicity, the race of Glenn, because I think he's white. I don't think this. I don't think this was meant for us. Keep in mind, Georgia is the state that has the largest Confederate monument in this country. It's called Stone Mountain. Okay, I don't think this was meant for us.
Like I say, I'm trying to check right now to see, but I don't think Christopher Glenn is a brother, so we'll see. All right, folks, back to our Roland Martin Unfiltered video in just one moment.
It's time to be smart. When we control our institutions, we win. This is the most important news show on television of any racial background. Y'all put $2, $3, $4, $5, $10, $15, $20, $30 on this and keep this going. What you've done, Roland, since this crisis came out in full bloom. Anybody watching this, tell your friends, Go back and look at the last 2 weeks, especially of Roland Martin Unfiltered. I mean, hell, go back and look at the last 2 days. You've had sitting United States senators today, Klobuchar and Harris. Whatever you can bring to Roland Martin Unfiltered to support it, please do, because this information may literally save your life.
Watch Roland Martin Unfiltered daily at 6 p.m. Eastern on YouTube, Facebook, or Periscope, or go to RolandMartinUnfiltered.com. Support the Roland Martin Unfiltered Daily Digital Show by going to RolandMartinUnfiltered.com. Our goal is to get 20,000 of our fans contributing $50 each for the whole year. You can make this possible. RolandMartinUnfiltered.com.